Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on mathematical induction. So yung mga previous examples natin sa mathematical induction dito sa series ay equation, no? Now dito pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano mag-prove ng inequality using mathematical induction. So in this video, we prove that 2 raised to n is greater than n for all positive integers n. Okay, so pwede nyo i-pause yung video tapos try nyo on your own and then balik kayo mamaya to check if your answer is correct. Alright, so sana nag-pause kayo at nag-prove on your own. So for our basis step, we check if P sub 1 is true. Anong ulit yung P sub 1? Ibig sabihin ng P sub 1 ay n is equal to 1. Okay, so if we let n be equal to 1, 2 to the n is greater than n, which means that 2 to the first power is greater than 1. And we know that 2 is greater than 1, therefore P sub 1 is true. So for our induction step, ano ang ginagawa sa induction step? We assume that P sub k is true and prove that P sub k plus 1 is also true. Ano ibig sabihin ng P sub k? Ibig sabihin we let n be equal to k. And ang ibig sabihin ng P sub k plus 1, we let n be equal to k plus 1. So pag inassume natin na yung P sub k is true, ibig sabihin papalitan natin yung n ng k, no? So assume P sub k is true. Ibig sabihin 2 raised to k is greater than k. Anong gusto natin i-prove? That P sub k plus 1 is true. Ibig sabihin ng P sub k plus 1, lahat ng k ay gusto natin maging k plus 1. Ibig sabihin, we need to show that 2 sub k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. Saan ang galing yun? Yung k, naging k plus 1, tsaka yung k, naging k plus 1. Kasi yun nga yung sinasabi natin dito, yung P sub k plus 1, ito yan. So kailangan mapakita natin yan, no? If we multiply both sides of the inequality by 2, so magiging 2 times 2 raised to k is greater than 2k. Diba? Minultiply ko lang both sides by 2. Pero alam natin that 2k is greater than k plus 1 for k greater than 1. Kasi na-test na natin yung k equals 1 dito sa una eh. So, ang iti-test na lang natin yung values ng k na mas malaki sa 1. Siyempre, pag minultiply mo yung number by 2, mas malaki yung magiging product nun kaysa nag-add ka ng 1. For example, 2 times 2 is greater than 2 plus 1. Diba? O kaya, 2 times 3, if k is 3, is greater than 3 plus 1. 2 times 4 is greater than 4 plus 1. And so on. No? So, alam natin that 2k is greater than k plus 1. No? Which means that 2 times 2 to the k is greater than k plus 1. So, sa inequality, if a is greater than b and b is greater than c, syempre a is greater than c. No? Transitive property of inequality. Okay? Pero ano ba yung 2 times 2k? That is the same as 2 to the first times 2 to the k. Di ba? That's greater than k plus 1. And by laws of exponent, 2 to the 1 plus k is greater than k plus 1. At pag binaliktad natin yung 1 plus k, pwede natin gawing 2 to the k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. Which is precisely this one. Yan yung gusto natin ipakita, di ba? At napakita na natin dyan. Ano ibig sabihin nun? This means that if P sub k is true, then P sub k plus 1 is also true. So, dahil na-satisfy na natin yung basis step tsaka yung induction step, therefore, P sub n is true for all positive integers n. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating tutorial. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bring your friends. I'll see you in the next video.